Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In today's video we will solve Olympiad math problem in a very easy and simple way. Question is k plus 10 whole square equals 100. You have to find the value of k. So we will solve this question with different methods. So first of all, which method I will use is, this is the method 1, in which I will write k plus 10 whole square equals 100. Now move this towards the left hand side. K plus 10 square minus 100 equals 0. Now 100 is the square of 10. So I can write k plus 10 whole square minus 10 square equals 0. Then here we can apply the formula of a square minus b square, that equals a minus b into a plus b. So this will become k plus 10 minus 10 and k plus 10 plus 10 equals 0. Now plus 10 and minus 10 both are cancelled out, we have only k. And here we have k plus 20 that are equal 0. So there are two possible values. First one is k equals 0 and the other value is k plus 20 equals 0. So k will equals minus 20. This is the first method. We have find the value k is 0 and minus 20. Now we will use the second method to solve this question. Now in the second method we write k plus 10 whole square equals 100. Now we can take square root on both sides. So taking the square root on both sides, we get k plus 10 whole square equals square root of 100. So k plus 10 equal plus minus 10. So k will equal minus 10 plus minus 10. So there are two possibilities. First is k equal minus 10 plus 10 and the other one k equal minus 10 minus 10. So you can see we have k equal minus 10 plus 10, both are cancelled out, it's equal 0. And for this one k equal minus 10 and plus minus 10 will be minus 20. So we have two answers same as the previous method, that are 0 and minus 2. Now we will apply the third method to solve this question. You can adopt any one method. Now in the method 3 we will apply a formula that will be for whole square. A plus b whole square equal a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we will apply this formula in this question. That is k plus 10 whole square equals 100. So this will become k square plus 2k into 10 then plus 10 square equals 100. So this will be k square plus 20k, that equal 100 minus 100. It's mean k square plus 20k equals 0. Now taking the k as common, remaining will be k plus 20, that equals 0. So there are two possibilities, k equals 0 or the k plus 20 equals 0. If k is 0, that's true, but here k plus 20 equals 0, it's mean k equal minus 20. So again these are the two possible answers and all are the correct. Now we will do the verification. In the last we will do the verification is our question is right or wrong. Now roots are 0 and minus 20. So first we put k equals 0. So we get, when k is 0, we get 0 plus 10 whole square, that equals 10 square equals 100. So if we put in the left hand side k equals 0, we get equals the right hand side. Now put k equals minus 20. So minus 20 plus 10 in the left hand side. So minus 20 plus 10 will be minus 10. So minus 10 square. So square of any negative number is always positive number. So it will again become 10 square, that is 100. That equals right hand side. So this is the solution. If you found this video helpful, subscribe mathsolver1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.